But why do you keep putting off what I really want to do?
I'll take this magic wand and this brass lampy and conjure myself a fairy and a genie so as I can get myself a job on stage. Nothing. Oh, Lucky Neep, I'm so sore needed to be on the stage. Nothing. Aye, what are you doing today? What can I help you with?
I'm just in for a lookie.
Now this is the shoppy we're going to do the wind up.
And the coin's inside.
She's in there harping on about wanting to be on stage.
Let's get her uploaded.
Wheel, if it isn't Willy Wind Up. What are you doing here?
I've got some good news.
Oh aye.
You ken that film director, Quentin Tarantino? Well, this is his nephew, Jockey Tarantino.
Aye, Lorna. Uncle Quentin's planning a Doric film. And he's looking for any talent that could do the job.
I've been caught out with Willy's wind-ups afore.
Honest to God, it's a good opportunity for somebody. But if you're nae interested, then I'm away to Aberdeen to see a Pucklymore folk.
This sounds just up my street, and they've come 'cause of the Lucky Neep. Okay, hands on hearts, you twa. Nae wind up.
Nae wind up.
What do you want me to do for an audition?
A wee bit of singing, acting, dancing.
I've got a wee song. You'll hae to imagine yourself on Benny for the scene.
When I was a quine and 3 years old, my mother said to me, "Put on your sheen and come awa, we're gonna Benny." Now I'm a quine at 23 and nothing do I fear. I've grown so tall, but my third top gets smaller ilka year.
That was great singing, Lorna.
And here's a message for your bucking wife to Robert the Bruce on his victory at the Battle of Barra, Al Meldrum. Sorry we hinna got on ahin to gie your majesty on your visit to Buchan, but you've brought plenty for us. My man lies deed wi' a strong arm off at the Oxter, and his gweed bleeds socket into the grin, with bairns greeting. Your 700 black hearts are running through, burning with that can-do noise and shooting arrows into our beasts. Sorry we hadn't got on ahin to gie your majesty on your visit to Buchan.
You see, she could do the tragedy enough.
Fit a talent the quine's got. Well, Lorna, I canna thank you enough. That was great. Now we've got that safely in the can, we'll awa and leave you in peace.
No, you'll give me a good bigging up to Mr. Tarantino.
Cheerio then, Lorna.
Lorna Cowie, soon to gang viral on YouTube. Oh no, Aberdeen'll be laughing at me now. What a fool I made of myself.
Aye, you are a fool, Jockey Tarantino.
I'll never get a job on the stage now.
No, dinna greet me, quine. There's a silver lining. You ken that Doric panto that's coming up at His Majesty's?
Aye, I'm going to that. I've just got to get tickets.
You're gana recht, but you winna need tickets. The leading wifey's fan down the steps outside His Majesty's and she's in the infirmary. We're needing somebody to step in at short notice.
Well, that could be me. I'll do it. A Doric panto. I'm made for it.
Aye, you're a Lucky Neep.
That do up. It's like being at Cardona's. Only she's left no number to ring. Hey! Hello? Oh, did I say it's another wind up?